Hi students, MCQ number 23. An ideal gas undergoes a cyclic process A, B, C, D, A as shown in the given PV diagram. Okay, A, B, C, D, A. The amount of work done by the gas has to be determined. So already I told you that such diagrammatic questions will be compulsorily appearing in the NEET and IIT entrance exams. Okay, but you have to understand carefully. Now let us start the process from A to B, then B to C, then C to D, then D to A. So the work done by the gas in 4 steps, if you add, means the net work done you will be getting. So now the net work done A, B, C, D, A. So this is equal to work done from A to B plus work done from B to C plus work done from C to D plus work done from D to A. So we have divided into 4 steps. Now in general, work done is given by P dV, P into delta V also we can use, change in the volume. So from A to B appears at a pressure P0. Both A and B have a pressure P0. So this is equal to what? P0 into change in volume. So B is the final point, the volume is 3V0 and A is the initial point, volume is V0. So this is equal to what? 3V0 minus V0. So this is equal to P0 into 2V0. So this is equal to 2P0 into V0. Understood students? Very simple it is. Now the next is B to C. So work done from B to C is equal to P into change in volume delta V. Now B as well as C, both the points corresponding to volume 3V0. That is, the volume is same. So change in volume must be 0. So this is a P into 0 and this is equal to what? 0. Are you understanding? Why? Because B and C, both the points of the same volume, change in volume is 0. Again from C to D. So the work done from C to the point D is equal to P into delta V. So you can see here both the points C and D correspond to the same pressure 2P0. So the pressure is 2P0 into change in volume. Change in volume, what is the final volume is V0. At D, the final volume is V0. At C, the initial volume is 3V0. So this is V0 minus 3V0. So this is equal to 2 into P0 into minus 2 into V0. So this is equal to minus 4 P0 into V0. One more step is from D to A. Now we can see D as well as A having the same volume. Okay. So W D to A is equal to P into delta V, that is equal to P0 into 0, that is equal to 0. So whenever the volume remains constant, change in volume is 0. So my dear students, we are going to add all the 4 terms. You will get the net work done. Therefore, W A B C D A, that is equal to the net work done. That is equal to W A to B is what? 2 P0 V0 plus 0 minus 4 P0 V0 plus 0. So this is equal to minus 2 P0 into V0. Okay. So the net work done is what? Negative. Moreover, you see the direction of the flow. It is anti-clockwise direction. So you must keep in your mind that whenever the loop, closed loop is anti-clockwise, means the net work done will be what? Negative only. And also you must remember, whenever this loop is clockwise, the net work done will come as positive. This is an additional information you have to remember. Okay children. So what is the answer now? Option A. Option A is the correct answer. Now you can see here quick guesses. Some intelligent students know, they will look at the answer. The remaining three answers can be eliminated, ruled out. Is it not? Because they are positive numbers. The answer should come in negative. Why? Because the loop is anti-clockwise. So you need not solve this and do. In case if all are given in negative or 2, 3 are given in negative, then you have to go by the solution method. But my advice is elimination method. See, the answer cannot be positive. Therefore, the answer is what? A, you can guess. Quickness is very important in the competitive exam. Anyhow, my dear students, I hope you must have understood the steps. Okay. So, option A is the correct answer. I hope you must have understood well. Fine.